In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up asset locations in Google Ads. If you want your ads to show your business address, a map pin, or the distance to your nearest store, location assets are what make that happen. They help customers find you more easily and can lift local performance, especially on mobile. Let's get right into it. Once you're in your Google Ads account, start by clicking Campaigns on the left-hand bar. In the panel that opens, select Assets. This takes you to the area where you manage the extra pieces that enhance your ads, like site links, callouts, and, in this case, locations. If you manage multiple campaigns, this view helps you keep everything consistent without hunting through each campaign one by one. Next, click the plus icon to add a new asset and choose Location. This tells Google Ads you want to create a location asset that can be attached to your ads. At this point, Google Ads will reference the business locations available to your account. If your account already has access to your business locations, you're ready to go. Now, select the location groups you want to include, or create a new one. A location group is simply a way to bundle your locations so you can control where and when they appear. For example, you might create one group for stores in a particular region, or group locations by brand or service type. When creating or choosing a group, think about how you plan to target or report. Clear names and logical groupings will save you time later. Keep your groups focused so the right address shows for the right audience. If you're adding a new group here, give it a name that you and your team will instantly recognize and include only the locations you want to appear with these campaigns. Once you've made your selection, click Save, and that's it. Your location asset is now set up. After saving, the asset becomes eligible to show with your ads, and you should see it listed in your Assets view. It may take a little time for the locations to start appearing in live auctions, so don't worry if you don't see them immediately. You can return to Assets anytime to review performance, refine your groups, or adjust how you organize locations as your strategy evolves. To recap, you clicked Campaigns, selected Assets, added a new asset by choosing Location, selected or created a location group, and saved. Simple, tidy, and effective. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.